Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, it's time for me to smash another 12 by 12 collection. Today I'm going to be using this collection. It is the I Love Christmas collection by Lori Whitlock, and I did get this from Echo Park. And this is a 2016 collection, so I've had it in my stash for a bit. But I wanted to show you what's in this collection before I start cutting into it. So let's take a quick look.
A place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.
Then we have these cut aparts, which I really do like, and I'm choosing to use these cut aparts for some of my cards at least. And so I'm gonna go through Call Me Crafty Al's sheet load sketches and find one that will fit with these. Really cute. And then the kit also comes with this page of stickers. So it has some strips, some border strips that I can use. Has some nice images, a few sentiments. So I'll make use of these as well. So I am going to go ahead and choose my sketches to use, and I'll make my cards, and I'll be right back through the magic of editing with the completed cards, smashing this collection. So here are the sheet loads I've decided to use. I'm going to use the April 2020 sheet load as well as the June 2019 sheet loads. And I'm going to make some slight modifications, but you'll see those once I have the cards complete. Alrighty friends, I have made my cards and I did smash this collection. I used every last bit of paper from this I Love Christmas collection. I even used the branding strips, the sentiments on the branding strips. So on the branding strips, they had this little sentiment that says I Love Christmas. I think I only had one or two left of those. So that's all I had left. And I did use the entire sheet of stickers. So, I mean, this one I completely smashed. So some of the goodies that I used to make my cards in addition to this paper, I used this stitched circle die from Cat Scrappiness. I used my nesting circles from We Are Memory Keepers. And then I used this stamp set. This was a stamp set from the Stamping Village. So that was a bunch of different I put that in wrong. A bunch of different stamp companies got together and collaborated into one set. So I used this one from Concord and Ninth, this one from Gina K. I used this one from Altenew and this one from Studio Katia. So those are the goodies I used. Oh, and I also used some of my peel-offs from Love from Lizi. So I will link to what I can in the description box below. and that way you can grab some of these goodies. And then to stamp the sentiments, I did use this cherry red from Gina K Designs as well. Now for my background layers, my matte layers, I use this paper pad from Michaels. It's from 2019. So I've had it in my stash for quite a while. And let's see if you can tell here. This is an embossed paper. So you could tell there, but I did use it for my matte layers just because it was able to coordinate well with the colors of the papers. So let me show you the cards I made. Let me start by showing you the cards that I was able to make using the April 2020 sheetload of cards sketch, and those I completed using a combination of the stamp sentiments as well as the stickers from the sticker sheet. Let me scooch this over just a little bit. And as you may be able to tell, I did put these on craft card bases. And so I did manage to make 24 using the April 2020 sheet load. And you can see I used stickers for some of them. Here I used that little sentiment that was part of the branding strip. I also used a stamp sentiment on some. And then on some of these, let me find one. I used, again, paper that was on the branding strip so that I used each and every bit. Now, I still need to stamp a sentiment on the inside. And for the inside, I used this little confetti paper I had in my stash. And I used this one because it's kind of a off-white color, which I think goes better with a craft. So it's not a stark white. And so there's those 24. And let me show you the other ones I made using the June 2019 sheet load. So for these, I used the June 2019 sheet load. And I made 2 in landscape version, and that's because these are the cut aparts I used. And so I made it work. So the sketch is actually this way, but I made it work to go landscape. And here you can see I used some more of those stickers, or what was left of the sticker there. So let me show you those. There's 2 landscape versions, and then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 portrait versions. So I made a total of 12 using the June 2019 sheet load. So these 12, in addition to the other 24, gives me 36 cards. And then I had some strips of paper left over, and I wasn't going to let those go to waste. So I kind of made them work. So these were 2 separate strips, and then I put this strip down the middle, added a little circle, some stickers, and a sentiment. Did the same there. And then these landscape versions, I had these 2 pieces, and then I just put another piece of pattern paper in the middle, used some of my Love from Lizi peel-offs there, added these circles and the stickers from the sticker page, and was able to get an extra 8 cards. So that's a grand total of 44 cards from that collection kit. I'm really excited that I was able to get so many out of one kit. And I think I'm going to do the same with the next kit. I'm going to try and follow this the designs that I used, the 2 sheet loads, so that I can use those cut aparts. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.